In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert a PNG into a vector in Photoshop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might want to have a PNG that you want to scale up, but without losing any quality. So this is what you have to do. Firstly, open up Photoshop and open up the thing that you want. Obviously, it has to be a PNG. Then from here, just select the layer that you want by holding Control. And then from here, just select the rectangular marquee tool. Then all you want to do is right click on the frame, and then all you want to do is press make work path and just change the tolerance to 1 pixels. Then just press OK. It's going to do something like this. Then all you want to do is come over to the left, hold and press the mouse icon right there, and just select the direct selection tool as so right there. Then all you want to do is right click on this area, and the very first option you're going to see is create vector mask. So just click on that and then you'll be good to go. Now whenever you go and resize this, you're not going to lose any quality at all because it's now going to have a vector mask on it. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what tutorials you want from this channel in the future.